Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome comparison video with the good old Apple iPhone 16 Pro against the brand new Honor Magic 8 Pro that are flagship giants. The Android at its most powerful versus the Apple's perfectly refined ecosystem, performance, camera, battery, who really comes out on the top with that two devices. We go and dive into it, be design and build. The iPhone 16 Pro titanium build, extremely premium and compact. The classic Apple minimalistic look. The Honor Magic 8 Pro, larger futuristic design, slightly heavier, bold and aggressive camera module. The Apple feels clean, refined and premium. The Honors looks more futuristic and attention grabbing. Let's go to the display. So the design and build is up to you. I think the iPhone is much better to see. The display comes with an OLED panel at the iPhone, 120 Hz ProMotion, extremely accurate color vibration. The Honor comes with OLED display, 6.7 inches, 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 6,000 nits brightness. Very vibrant colors. Apple wins in color accuracy only, but the Honor absolutely dominates in brightness and screen size. Let's go to performance. The performance way of life. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in with the Apple A18 Pro chip. Insanely optimized performance, top-tier gaming and video efficiency. The Honor Magic 8 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 and a lot of RAM. 12 up to 16 gigabyte. Higher raw benchmark performance, of course. But on the paper, the Honor looks stronger. But Apple often wins in real-world performance thanks to the iOS optimization. Let's roll to the camera system. The camera system of the iPhone 16 Pro, natural color science, industry-leading video quality, and the best social media optimization. The Honor Magic 8 Pro comes with 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Strong optical zoom, excellent night photography, 4K 120 frames. Video, baby. The Honor dominates in zoom and hardware, but Apple still runs when it comes to the video and social media content. That's better, eh? I think, yeah. What do you think? Tell me in the comment. Battery and charging. The iPhone 16, small battery, really small battery, small smartphone, small battery as well. Slower charging, blah. That's really bad thing in the Apple world. But highlight the efficiency. Okay, Honor Magic 8 Pro against it. Massive battery, 6,000 plus. 100 watt fast charging. And 80 watt Wi-Fi wireless charging. Roffel. This is not even close. Honor completely destroyed the Apple's battery and charging speed, of course. Let's go to software. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with operating system iOS. Extremely stable, long-term updates, vast ecosystem. Honor Magic 8, Magic Operation System. More features and customizable, but slightly less consistent optimization. The iOS is smooth, stable, and polished. Android, this is the Honor system, is more flexible, but less constant overall. So, it's up to you. That means the iPhone 16 Pro wins if you want the best video quality, a stable software experience, a social media and Apple ecosystem. Sign up for that. Honor Magic 8 Pro wins if you want the insane battery life, stronger hardware specs, better zoom and features, better value for money. Yeah. So tell me what you are. Team Apple or Team Honor? China or maybe United States of America? You can choose it. Tell me in the comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.